Welcome to our video on how to check your images. So checking your images for a digital document is a little bit different than checking for a print document. So if you are creating a print document, make sure you're over at the Print Hub watching that. So one of the key things to making sure that your images look great digitally is starting with a high quality file. So whether you're print or digital, there's some truths you need to know. Taking screenshots of things like JPEGs are automatically going to reduce the quality. Every single time you save a JPEG, you are losing information. So that is not high quality. Let's take a look at graphics first. So you may remember these images from our print explanations when I visited your class. So here we have a download from Canva, and I just want us to explore some resolution here. So ideally, we will have about 150 is kind of the sweet spot for really good resolution. 72 is the absolute minimum, and it may not offer you a great quality at that. So quality decreases the lower you get. So in the case of both of these from Canva and from Express, these are pretty small files. Notice something though, the effective PPI on the Express file is much higher than the effective PPI on the Canva file. That's just a difference between the two downloads. But I want us to look at how good and how crisp the Illustrator file is. So I copied this direct from Illustrator. And another thing I can do when I do that, I can come in and use my brand colors. So all of my brand colors that I have saved, I can use in my chart. I'm just clicking and applying. So automatically I'm branded correctly, okay? That's a great part. We've got crisp, clear numbers, no fuzziness, looks great. I also don't have this white background to deal with. Now, if you decide you wanted a background, well, you can simply add that on there, just like that. So, hopefully that helps with graphics. Let's take a look at images. So you can see this is a JPEG. We've got an actual PPI of 300 and effective of 830. This is going to look great, okay? So again, as long as you are checking that resolution and you're at least above 72 and you have an effective PPI higher than that 150, you're going to be fine. Now, it's still a wise idea, even though you're going digital, to print this off, okay? Because sometimes we see things in print that we don't see digitally. Our screens sometimes lie to us. So hopefully that helps you get started. Next, we are going to learn how to collaborate.